That's women spend the most money. It doesn't mean they have the most power. Don't get that confused. It doesn't mean they have the most power because they spend the most money. But women are consumers by nature. And they still got to rely on men to get shit. You feel me? They still got to rely on men to create jobs, to build, to create resources, to gather resources, to build this shit they use. They still have to rely on men to provide and protect while they consume. They still need men, Jack. Their power is in their ability to never move a finger and to influence you to give them what they want. That's what the true power of femininity does. It's not weak to be feminine. You must have what? The wisdom, the knowledge, and the men around you to feel protected. And that is up to the family. So if a woman feels vulnerable, it's because she's not being what? Educated or protected about her environment.